registered nurses here at AquafyIV. I just wanted to let you guys know about a super fun event on October 14th. We're launching our Botox medical anesthetic. We will be doing free consultations for everybody and also having a lot of prizes.
And I'm Santiana, I'm the certified nursing assistant here. If you guys aren't busy on October 14th, you should come in. We're gonna have raffles. The first 100 RSVPs are gonna get free B12s. And we're gonna have champagne and just charcuterie, so yeah. We'd love to meet you and see new faces. It's gonna be a great event.
We can't wait to meet you guys. Don't forget to RSVP to our event by October 9th at AquafyIV.com.